Exercise 1.14. Dropping pronouns. Some nouns in a sentence are usually dropped if understood in context, especially in conversation. So, you will hear many sentences without a subject noun. However, nouns are accompanied by a particle, so you will not have a problem understanding what they mean. For example, observe the following dialogue between Bill and Miari Mary. Bill. Keno Chicago no ita. I went to Chicago yesterday. Mary. Ah, so darito? Oh, okay. With whom? Bill. Tomodachi to. With my friend. Mary. Do data? How was it? Bill. Yukata. It was good. Exercise 1.14. Complete the following sentences with ga or ni. For a greater challenge, cover the English translations as you work in this exercise. For the answer key, 1. Chicago ni ita. 2. Tomodachi ga kita. My friend came here. 3. Uchi ga kita. Uchi home. He came to my home. 4. Tamago o tabita. Tamago egg. Tabita ate. I ate eggs. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!